Skies are partly sunny right now. Temperature 98. We are down from the high of 100. Just shy of the record of 101. And as I mentioned before the break, it's the first time since October of 2019 that we got 100 or higher. We also have a west-southwesterly breeze, still relatively dry with low humidity, and that's been a factor not adding to the heat index where it's already hot. Temperatures mid to upper 90s now. We're about 10 degrees higher than the average high of 89, and there's that relatively dry air, still in the 20 to 30% range. This is about to go away, and very humid conditions are going to arrive for late week and the weekend. The trade-off is it will feel hotter and much more oppressively humid. But with that added humidity, we'll get the chance for at least some scattered afternoon storms returning, and that'll be a factor for the upcoming weekend forecast. Now, there are some scattered showers and storms going on southern parts of DeKalb County, back through portions of Grundy and Bledsoe. Nothing really severe with it. There was one advisory out around southern DeKalb County. That's kind of decreased in intensity. It's actually running into some dry air. So a beneficial shower. Fort Payne and neighboring areas of Pine Ridge up to Fife on Sand Mountain. And then farther north and west, a good soaking downpour right on the Bledsoe County line, not far from Fall Creek Falls, lifting north and east. Maybe some downpours, nothing severe. Stronger storms around Nashville. These aren't too strong farther back to the south and west. And really this time of year, your main threats tend to be some strong wind gusts, downpours, of course, and of course, lightning and thunder. But with a weakening front coming in, this is at least going to provide us with a chance for a few scattered showers and storms during the night. The unfortunate thing here is not everybody's going to see this equally. There's a higher odds those storms are going to be farther to our south and west, and for us locally is scattered as this front moves through. But this front will aid in cloud cover development, and that in itself will hold temperatures down tomorrow. So we go through the evening and overnight hours, off and on some scattered showers and thunder passing by. Again, there'll be some spots just totally left out, but the clouds linger through tomorrow morning. There is a chance for a few showers early tomorrow, so a cloudier start. That means a slower start to the heating process. It'll be very humid, but afternoon highs could be about 10 degrees lower than where they were today. And it'll still feel about the same way with the heat index near 100. And a few pop-up late-day showers, but at least temperatures in the right direction, down a bit to around 90. Then by Friday, we go back to a more of a typical summertime pattern. It's going to be hot. It's going to be humid with a southerly breeze. Temperatures back in the low 90s. With that, a few pop-up late-day thunder showers Friday. Better chances, though, over the weekend. It's not all day Saturday and Sunday, but for your outdoor plans, be aware, like a typical summer day, scattered showers and storms returning and could be an impact to some of those outdoor plans. But at least, again, some of us getting some rain. For tomorrow, again, a few showers around early, then a mix of clouds and sun and a pop-up afternoon thunder shower chance. Temperatures a little lower. I'm not going to say cooler because it won't be, but at least lower with temperatures around 90. Then over the weekend, it's hot and humid Friday through Sunday, but at least there's that chance for some afternoon and evening storms and temperatures back in the mid-90s through next week.